Google just dropped a collections feature inside Gemini Notebook that solves the one problem every solo operator hits when they start building client research libraries at scale: the scrolling nightmare. You have got 50 notebooks, 100 notebooks, 200 notebooks sitting there, and finding the one you actually need takes longer than the research itself. That ends today. And here is what most people are going to miss. This is not just a folder system. It is something else entirely. I am going to show you exactly how to use this to build client knowledge bases you can actually sell. And at the very end, I am walking you through the one setup move that makes these collections feel like a professional deliverable instead of a personal note dump. You are going to want that part. I am Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers turn free AI tools into real income without paying for platforms they do not need yet. If you got value from this already, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete system for building a real service business around tools like this one, my The Daily Deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here's the thing. Knowledge management platforms have trained people to think folders are the only way to organize research. You pick a category, you drop the file, you move on. And that works fine until you are running a real service, a lead gen, social content, custom knowledge bases, and you realize the same piece of research applies to 3 different clients or projects. Now you are either duplicating files or wasting time hunting through the wrong folder. Most platforms in this space charge you monthly for that exact workflow. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $15 a month bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like this one matter. Google Gemini Notebook Collections does not force you into that single category trap. A notebook can live in multiple collections at the same time without duplicating anything. That is the entire point. This is what I am calling the multi-category knowledge stack. One research asset that surfaces in every context where it is relevant, 0 file bloat, 0 subscription cost. Let me show you how this actually works. You open Google Gemini Notebook. If you are still calling it NotebookLM, it rebranded. Same tool, new name, you have got all your notebooks sitting there. Let us say you have got 80 of them. Client research, industry reports, competitor analysis, lead lists, sponsor briefs. Before this update, finding the right one meant scrolling or using search and hoping you remembered the exact title. That does not scale. Now you click the collections icon, you create your first collection, call it social media clients, you start dragging notebooks into it, every piece of research tied to running social content for local businesses. That collection now holds 12 notebooks. But here's the part that changes everything. One of those notebooks is competitor content analysis for a landscaping company. That same notebook also applies to your lead gen research collection because you are prospecting similar businesses. You drag it into that collection too. The notebook does not duplicate. It just exists in both places. You have not copied a file. You have not created a mess. You have tagged it in 2 contexts where you actually need it. Think about what this means for someone offering custom knowledge bases to local businesses. One session. You pull every piece of training material, every internal process doc, every onboarding resource they have scattered across email and Google Drive. You drop it all into Gemini Notebook, you organize it into collections, new hire training, sales playbooks, product knowledge, compliance docs. Their team can find what they need in under 10 seconds instead of slacking someone to ask where the file lives. That setup used to require a paid knowledge management platform with per-seat pricing. This version runs for free, and you can charge $400 to build it. Let's keep building. You can layer collections on top of collections, students collection, business owners collection, content creators collection. Inside content creators, you have got video ideas, AI news, research, sponsors. A notebook about a new AI tool update might live in AI news and video ideas and research simultaneously. You are not maintaining 3 separate files. You are just surfacing the same research wherever it makes sense. That flexibility is what lets this scale past 100 notebooks without turning into a digital junk drawer. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one configuration move you have to handle first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. Here is the actual service play. You are running lead gen for local service businesses. You have got 50 notebooks tracking competitor pricing, service areas, customer reviews, Google Maps rankings, keyword clusters. You create collections by business type, HVAC, roofing, plumbing, electrical. You create collections by research angle, competitor analysis, pricing intel, content gaps, map pack rankings. A single notebook about a roofing company competitor lives in roofing and competitor analysis and map pack rankings all at once. When you are building a pitch deck for a new roofing prospect, you pull the roofing collection. When you are running a pricing comparison across industries, you pull competitor analysis, same research, 3 access points, 0 duplication. You charge $300 for that lead research retainer. The client gets a structured, intelligent system instead of a pile of notes. Most CRM platforms with this level of tagging and cross-referencing capability lock it behind a paid tier. This version is free infrastructure. That is a real margin advantage for someone just getting started. Or you are doing social media management. You have got content calendars, trending topic lists, engagement reports, platform algorithm updates, competitor post analysis. You organize by client name, you organize by platform, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook. You organize by content type, educational, promotional, engagement bait. One trending topic notebook about AI tools for real estate agents goes into real estate, clients, LinkedIn, and educational content. You are not copying that research 3 times. You are just making sure it shows up wherever you need it when you are building the next batch of posts. That service pays $400 a month. The tool organizing it costs you nothing. Most social scheduling platforms bundle research organization into a plan that charges you before you have landed the client. This stack does not. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. If you want the full framework for turning setups like this into paying clients step by step, the Daily Deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197. Viewers of this video get it for under $30. That price is only showing for people coming from this video. Grab it before it flips back and drop a comment letting me know if you are heading over. I want to see who is in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a freelancer running custom knowledge bases for small operators. 3 clients right now, a gym, a law office, and a home services company. Each one has training materials scattered everywhere. The gym has workout certifications, liability waivers, class schedules, equipment manuals. The law office has case templates, client intake forms, compliance checklists. The home services company has service checklists, pricing guides, vendor contacts, equipment specs. She drops everything into Gemini Notebook, creates collections by department, by document type, by frequency of access. The gym's liability waivers live in legal docs and new hire training and front desk resources. Same file, 3 places it needs to show up. She hands over the system. They stop losing time asking where things are. She charges $500 per setup plus a small monthly retainer to keep it updated. The tool cost her $0. The paid platforms doing the same thing charge per user per month, and her clients do not have the budget for that yet. This version works. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The configuration move that separates a knowledge base someone will actually use from one that sits untouched after the first week. You have to name your collections with the same language your client or your team already uses. Do not call it Strategic Content Repository when they call it the Idea Folder. Do not call it Client Intelligence Database when they call it Prospect Research. Match their vocabulary exactly. That is what makes it feel native instead of imported. Most people skip that step and wonder why nobody opens the system after handoff. That naming layer is the difference between a tool they forget about and one they use every single day. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are not scrolling through 100 notebooks trying to remember where you saved that competitor analysis from 2 months ago. You open the collection, it is right there. You are not duplicating files to make the same research show up in 2 places. You tag it once, it surfaces everywhere it needs to. You are building client deliverables, knowledge bases, research libraries, content systems on free infrastructure while your competitors are paying monthly for platforms that do less. That is leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.